I'm not exaggerating when I say that our bus driver, Parry Harder of Nanaimo Ladysmith Public Schools, professional bus driver, saved a life Monday afternoon. We have approximately 700 QP support staff employees in Nanaimo Ladysmith Public Schools, and they all play a critical role in the district. And while it is a teaching staff that direct the educational programs, you know, the idea of a whole village concept for improving schools stresses the importance of each and every employee group all working together to help students succeed. So everyone, caretakers, clerical staff, EAs, child youth family support workers, facilities department staff, and bus drivers all play a critical, positive role in building a culture that helps students reach their full potential academically, socially, and emotionally. I know what also creates a great culture is when you can recognize the great work of an employee, and we try to do this regularly, and I want to do this this evening. Last Monday afternoon, January 10th, as trustees are aware, the Cedar school bus was involved in an accident, and incredibly, the two students on board and the bus driver walked away relatively unscathed, as well as the driver of the vehicle that hit them. And while we are fortunate that no one was seriously injured, fortune and luck had very little to do with it. It was expert driving and split-second decision-making by the bus driver that averted a collision that would have been much worse, including possibly the loss of life. I'm not exaggerating when I say that our bus driver, Parry Harder of Nanaimo Ladysmith Public Schools, professional bus driver, saved a life Monday afternoon. So thank you to all of our bus drivers who have persevered through the pandemic, who are always there for our students in all kinds of weather, picking them up and bringing them safely home to and from school. And a special thank you to Parry Harder this evening, who I chatted with on Monday evening, directly after the accident, and who we implored to take the following day off, but of course refused because that's who he is. He's that guy. He's just sort of matter of fact. He did what he did, and let's move on. What a great employee, what a great bus driver, what a great person. We are fortunate to have him on our team. Thank you to Parry Harder. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Superintendent Saywell, and I'll echo your words to thank Mr. Harder and the rest of our staff who contribute towards making student experiences as best we can in School District 68. Thank you. I do see that we have a comment from Trustee Higginson.
Thank you. You know what? That was so well said and so well deserved, Superintendent Saywell. As a member of the Cedar community, Parry is a local hero here for very good reason. I wasn't surprised when I read that he was involved and that it was his expert skill that avoided a much more tragic outcome. Not only is he an expert driver, he cares so much for the students that he drives around. Look, I'm getting teary about how much he cares. There was another snow event a few years ago where we were out for multiple days, and Parry drove around to his stops with a shovel and shoveled the snow out so that the students who are waiting for the bus could have a safe place to stand. And there are so many examples like this of Parry in our community and the things he does for kids. He gives them Christmas presents when they get on the bus. He decorates his bus. He's truly a great example of what is the heart of NLPS, but also sometimes people wonder why school districts are in the business of transportation. And you know what? Parry is the reason that we are in the business of transportation, because this is the first face that students see and the first face that they, or the last face they see. And examples of this really demonstrate why it is so critical that school districts have their own bus fleet. And so I just really want to echo what you said about Parry. He deserves all the accolades that he got tonight, and even more. So thank you.